ARTV stock analysis tomorrow, Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I've made more videos than anyone else in the space with 39,000 videos and all documented and whatnot, with 5 figures investing courses and mentors that you don't have to invest in 5 years. So, generally speaking, Artiva Biotherapeutics, it's not looking good. I know it pumped up just recently, and it's 3.7% up today, but it's not that juice that I want to see. It's not juicy, man. Like, it's pretty much like one step away from all-time lows, you know. So if you know like what I'm saying, that most of the times these things just keep melting down. Now, how the heck would you know this? Well, maybe because I've done 39,000 videos. Notice how I don't say 40, but that's a supply zone in its instance, in its own thing. So even here, it might be a sell as long as there's a confirmation and it's solid. Other than that, me randomly selling, it's not going to be the way. So let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter.